I'm looking at this bird in the tree up here. I've seen these flying around here sometimes, and they're the weirdest looking bird I think I've ever seen in my life. They've got this huge head with a huge beak and this thing on top of their head. And there's one here in the tree across from our house here. That's as far as I can zoom in on it. There are two of them here. I don't know if they're mating partners. That's excellent. It's like an exotic thing that's looks like it's like an endangered species where there's only like one of them in the whole world left or something, because it's so strange looking. It's about a foot, at least like a foot tall. Big. At least a foot, maybe even a foot and a half. Looks like it's hard to clean yourself with a head that big. There's its eye, okay. It's like a freaky cartoon character or something.